This is OPPO A77, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. The first step is to find and launch the Google Drive app. That's the app that you'll get alongside the system. It will be automatically downloaded to your phone once you will sign into your Play Store, unless you will not manually cancel it. Cancel the download, so you will probably have it somewhere on your phone. If not, just get it for free from the Play Store anyways. So launch the app, sign into a Google account if you haven't already, then hit the plus icon over here, choose the scan option from the list, give Drive the camera access or camera permission. Now take whatever document you wanted to make the scan out of and take a photo of this document. Then proceed if you're satisfied with the result. If not, retake the photo. After that, it will be forwarded to the file or document editing page. In here, you can change the color scheme that your final file or document will have. You can rotate it or frame the part of the original photo you would like to include into the document or PDF file we are about to create. Then hit the done button, then save, rename your that is interesting, and the whole file creation process was shut down because this very dumb phone decided to glitch. Whatever, I'll just quickly make another scan just to show you the save-in procedure. So here is the save-in interface. Rename the device if you please. You can also change the drive folder, location even, that you would like for this file to be saved to, and then hit the save button one last time. Wait for your document to be uploaded to the drive. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.